Hello friends of our homestead. In our this week's video we like to show you what's up in the cowport, why we made a long road trip to get these things, and we like to give you a little insight in our homestead kitchen and for what we need a big bowl of peeled carrots. This week we like to come forward with our milking stand, so we put the post in to support the side gate to keep the cow in place. It's now nice and flush, and we need another one for the front end from the milking stand. A little too long, but better too long than too short, so the chainsaw can do that job. We put the last piece from the floor in, so that is done. We post every Sunday a new video at our channel. If you want to be up to date, hit the notification bell and please subscribe for our YouTube channel. Hit only the button in the lower right corner. It costs you nothing, hurts nobody, and helps us a lot. Resident come to check. double check. Lots of screws to make it extra heavy duty. The support for the side gate. And the side gate. Works fine. And the support for the feed dish. Same thing, extra strong and super heavy duty. And we put the parts for the head gate in place. And the head gate is done now. For more than 5 weeks we tried to find a milking machine, but we can't find any local dealer or any national dealer. The only other option was go with a used one, and really we find a used one at Kijiji. But it was like always here in Canada, if you found something you need, it's not around the corner, and we drove more than 500 kilometers to get that milking machine. And to our surprise, it was not only one, it was a set of two, so we had luck this time and bought 2 milking machines for $90. And it was definitely worth that long road trip. Back home we checked what we bought, so we are absolute happy with that 2 milking machines. It's a super solid quality and it's mostly complete except of the pulsators. In the next video we like to show you how we take that machines apart and how we cleaned all the little parts, and hopefully if we get the spare parts we ordered we can show you how we put them back together. This week we received an order that we placed at the internet. We were looking for a couple weeks for a tea dip and a tea dip cup. And we can't find a local store, so believe it or not, Amazon is selling that stuff. We placed an order and we absolute happy to receive that now. That should prevent our cow from getting mastitis in her teeth. How that works we like to show you in one of our next videos. If you are interested in this item, I put the link for you in the description down below. Click only on the Amazon link. At the beginning of this video I promised you an insight into our kitchen. In this part of the video I like to show you how we made soup vegetables ourselves. We used the same amount of carrots, parsley roots and the round celery roots with greens. These will all peeled and chopped in small cubes. Then we put them on the food dehydrator rack and we put them in the food dehydrator. For at least 7 hours, and after 7 hours they should look like these. Everything get mixed together, then it's ready to use for all kinds of soup. Potato soup, chicken soup, and much more. That's the food dehydrator we used. If you like to have a look at it, we bought it on Amazon. I put the link for you in the description down below. And that's it for this week's video. Thanks guys for watching it. If you like to support our channel a little, you can buy us a coffee. I put the link for you in the description down below, and we see us next week. And don't forget to subscribe.